I'm on a mission to find a forever pen which is great for both work and home. Currently I use the Parker stainless jotter for work, so a ballpoint, and for journaling and other writing I use this Kaweco Sport. So I'm looking for something that looks nice and is very durable and will last a long time. I've been trying out a few pens, and the latest one I've got is this one, and it's quite a bargain one. It's the Hongdian M2. I got it from Amazon. It's a really good price. I'll put the price in the description. Well, I'll put a link in the description. And I was quite impressed with this. It's brass, so it's quite heavy. It's not the 20 grams that it says in the Amazon listing. It's not that at all, but it's a weighty pen, and it's a pocket size, so it's small when it's here together. It's a similar size to the Kaweco. It has this nice spring clip as well, which I really like. Now I'm going to do a full review and compare it against the other pens, but you can see it comes with a medium nib, and this is a Hongdian nib, and as well it comes with a converter, so with a screw, so I'm not sure what size cartridges it takes. I haven't got that. I actually bought it with some Hongdian blackish green ink, which is my favorite color for this, so that's what I've put in it. But it's great that it came with this converter as well, so you don't have to use cartridges. So let's see how it writes, shall we? I don't know how well this green ink is showing out. It's not the best paper, so it is bleeding a little bit. Anyway, this is the Hongdian M2, and I'll be pitching it against the other ones that I've been trying out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you got one of these, either the brass one or one of the other ones? Let me know what you think about it. And then in the next few weeks, once I've had a chance to try it out, I'll be doing a full comparison and coming up with the one that I think I'm going to carry and use most of the time. Thanks for watching. Why not check out this video on the Kaweco Sport Aluminium, or check out this playlist on pens. I'll catch you in the next video.